Alright, so I figured from now on I want to use Intellicast website for any future weather videos because this website was built to handle computers that have low gigabytes of RAM. So, first up, let's just talk about the advisories, the warnings. It's on this list. Well, we're going to quickly get into them. I don't want to make it, too long, but very, very important that we talk about it. So, Nassau and Suffolk have blizzard warnings. All right? Let's keep that in mind. But New York City, Bronx, Brooklyn, Manhattan, Queens, Staten Island, winter storm warning. And we're not going to get into why specifically, but I'll quickly mention it. Nassau and Suffolk are getting 12 to 18. New York City is scheduled to get 8 to 12 from the official National Weather Service statement. So, as I'm recording, this is from 1:32, but I'll refresh it since this website loves to cooperate. They love to cooperate. I'm not going to update the radar because that radar only updates like every 15 minutes, but the weather stations on this website, they update about every half hour. I like to double check for my standards, but with the snow and the wind right now, it's 23. Real feel is 5. So let's try to highlight it. I don't think we can, but that's alright. Here. Hey, look at that. Actually highlighted. Yeah, see, here it is. That's our current temperature. The wind, it's 5. Alright? And I want to keep doing these updates the next couple days because we are going to be experiencing some really, really bad wind chills going into the weekend. So right now the wind is at 34 miles an hour. But the storm, you have it gusting to near 50 miles an hour. This is the forecast. Next couple days. And this is the alarming thing. Look at Friday. That's odd. Can't highlight it. Maybe try to highlight this. Guess we can't. So I'll have to use the mouse. Let's put it in full screen so that way it'll help. Alright, so that's our low for Friday. That's only going to be the daytime high. And then you look at Saturday. Saturday, it's going to be ridiculous. 11 on Saturday, -3 for a low on Saturday night. Sunday, a high will be 18 and the low will be 14. And when you look at it long term, well, you're looking at a chance of flurries on Monday. Maybe more snow? That's going to be determined. But look at this long term. More snow coming. I know it's a little bit far-fetched to be looking at it, but hour by hour, by 7 o'clock, should be partly cloudy. So 6 o'clock, Intellicast is forecasting that 51% chance of snow. And it will lessen by 5 o'clock. So let's highlight 5 o'clock here. So there you have it. And then, this is the alarming part. Go to the wind chill in a sec, but let's just quickly look at the radar here. Just be patient with it, everyone. It takes a while. This is our current radar right now as we speak. That's a little bit of a malfunction, but this is the accurate one. And once you have it load up 2 or 3 times, it'll do what it has to do. But see the squares around Massachusetts? By Weymouth, wherever it's called? That's frozen rain right now. Rhode Island's going to get hammered from what I just saw before I recorded the video, but only focusing on New York. And now we're going to go to wind chill. And this is by 7 a.m. on Saturday morning. In fact, let's go all the way to... I can't believe I'm doing this. Here's the impact. 1 a.m., the wind chill factor tries to go into the single digits. But then, here's the alarming part that we need to talk about. Let's go to 10 a.m. on Friday morning. That's going to be our wind chill. 20 below. 20 below. Tries to get back into the teens during the afternoon, but problem is, by 7 o'clock on tomorrow night, the wind chill is going to be minus 20. So, that's very alarming. And this goes all the way into Saturday morning. I'm hoping tomorrow I can give the updated wind chill forecast, because the wind chill forecast is going to be the most accurate we're going to be using on a telecast. 20 below. So I'd really urge you all to use caution. And for all my fans in Delmarva, look, you're not even getting out of this. It's a blizzard warning down there today. Delmarva's going to get 8 to 12, I heard. Ocean City's going to get the same amount. So will Salisbury, you name it. Delmarva's getting it. Even Chinnetique and Assateague are getting it quickly. But pretty much the entire East Coast is under this cold spell. Oh boy, look at this. My cousin's up in Utica, and they're not going to be happy when they see this. Looks like Utica is going to be minus 30 below. So pretty much New York, downstate New York, all the way here, not looking good. So to end the video, I want to quickly give the accurate high for tomorrow. So now we will just end it with that note. So let's give the accurate forecast. Tomorrow's forecast. High of 14, low of 4. Alright? Now, let's use the wind chill map. Okay? Tonight's low. 8. Ooh, my bad. We don't need the radar right now. Why do we need the radar? Wind chills will be from minus 10 to minus 20. That's at the 7 a.m. Here's 7 a.m. 1 a.m. But here it is. This is the accurate one. 20 below, wind chill. So keep this in perspective. It will struggle to even get into the teens in the morning. And with the wind chill, you look at it from a perspective of Friday night. The temperature is trying to drop 3 degrees below zero. 3 degrees below zero. So to give you the most accurate timing I can give for this, pretty much from 7 o'clock tomorrow night. Yeah, here we go. 7 o'clock tomorrow night all the way into Saturday morning, our wind chills will be in the negative 20-degree range. And I'm not even going to predict the wind chill for Saturday. This is just Friday. This is just Saturday morning. This won't get updated till at least tomorrow. So tomorrow, I will be back with another weather update video. And by then, I will get the forecast for the wind chills. Because this is very alarming, this is very dangerous, and you all need to be aware of what's going on. So, please, if you have the time, please go on to telecast.com. It's a very good website. Really recommend that you use it. They give accurate radars, accurate region-by-region radars, and more importantly, for wind chill forecasts like this, because you're not going to find this anywhere else. So I will be back tomorrow with an updated video.